Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you're not new. My name is Michelle, and for today's video we have a really special Cartier unboxing. So yeah, let's just go ahead and get started with today's video. So recently, me and my husband took a trip to Spain with a couple of our friends, and I was not expecting to get this there. But yeah, let me go ahead and just show you what's in the bag, and then I will tell you a little bit more about why I got this and the price and everything like that, because I did save a little bit of money shopping in Spain. So first we have some perfume samples, and we got some for men and women. I feel like there's like 6 in each bag, or like 5 or 6, so we got a lot of perfume samples, which was so kind of the sales associate there. I also got a cleaning kit, another one, so this one will be really helpful, but I feel like I'm not going to use it. I'm just going to bring it to my local Cartier because I do have one here at a mall in San Diego. I also have a travel pouch, and then also a little holder for whatever I got. And then for the final unboxing, I got something in this nice box. So I did get the... Let me know if you have any guesses and if you guessed right, but I got the Cartier Love Bracelet in yellow gold, and I'm just so happy to finally have this piece because you guys know it's been on my wish list for the longest time, and I just want to say thank you to my husband because he got this for me as a mixture of like my birthday, anniversary, Christmas gifts, and I'm just so in love with it. I'm not going to be putting it on right now, but I will insert some footage later on in this video of me or my husband helping me put on this bracelet. So yeah, I did get the one in like the regular thickness and no diamonds. This one's just the 18 karat yellow gold, and it does come with this screwdriver to help put it on. But yeah, this one I did get in Spain, more specifically in Madrid. And we did go to the store to look initially for like the Juice and Clue because my husband really likes the Juice and Clue. We tried on that one, and we also tried it on with diamonds. It was such a beautiful bracelet, but for some reason we decided against it. And then he remembered that I really liked the love bracelet, so he actually offered to purchase me the love bracelet, and who am I to say no to a gift? So yeah, he got me the love bracelet, and I'm just so happy to have it. And actually, let me pull up the numbers to see how much it cost in Europe. So the numbers already went through on the credit card, so it cost $8,662.61, and then we were refunded $1,403.85. So in total, we spent $7,258.76. And right now, I think in the US, it retails for $7,350 or $7,300 flat. So yeah, I saved about $100, and then also tax. So if you're thinking about buying it in Europe, you can save a little bit of money on it, but it's not something that I would like suggest for you to just fly to Europe just to buy, because you don't really save that much money in comparison to like buying Louis Vuitton or like other designer brands, because it's just about the same price if you buy Cartier in Europe, is what I found out. And yeah, that's how much we paid for the bracelet in Spain. And then also, since it was such a large purchase, they did give me this white bag to carry around the Cartier shopping bag in, just to kind of hide the purchase. I think I bought it in the Four Seasons hotel, and so it's in the city center, so it's very crowded and busy, but they did give me this white bag with a lid so that no one would know that I purchased something from Cartier, so I wouldn't be like a walking target for someone to just like come by and steal. So yeah, I thought that was really smart of them to do so I got this white bag. But yeah, I had such a great experience at like shopping in the Madrid Cartier. I have a lot of the best experiences shopping designer like in other countries, but this one was one of the best, I feel like, so far, just because she really took her time with us. I told her we wanted to take a look at the Juste Clou bracelets. We weren't really having any intention of like buying anything, but she really took her time with us to explain like the history of the Juste Clou. She showed us the different sizes. She showed us with and without diamonds. She also showed me the ring, different sizes of the ring. It gave me different sizes of the bracelet to try on to make sure it was like the perfect fit, even though like I wasn't sure of like purchasing it. And then also for like the love bracelet too, when we were going to buy the love bracelet, she showed me different love bracelets to make sure that the one that I chose was perfect. So she even gave me like a little magnifying glass to inspect the bracelets to make sure that like there were no scratches on it. And yeah, she did such a great job explaining like the history, the serial numbers. It was pretty incredible, and I'm really happy that she spent all that time with me and gave me the experience that she did. She also gave, again, like perfume samples, and then also like the cleaning kit too, but honestly I don't think I'm going to use like the cleaning kit. While we were there also, she saw my love ring and then offered to go ahead and clean it like at the store while I was waiting and doing paperwork. So yeah, that was really great as well. So when I do put my bracelet on, I think I'm going to just get it cleaned at the store versus just cleaning it on my own, just because I do have a local Cartier store, and I think it'd just be a little bit more convenient for me to just bring it there than just to do it myself. I think they could do probably a better job than I could with the little brush and cleaning solution. And yeah, let me now show you some footage of Joe's. And that's pretty much it for today's video. Thank you so much for supporting my channel and watching my video. If you want to follow me on TikTok and also Instagram, my handle over there is Michelle Argueta. I hope you guys are having a great day, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!